That tight, itchy feeling you get right after washing your face is actually a distress signal from your skin. It means you have stripped away the protective oils that keep your barrier healthy and your face hydrated. For a long time, we were told that a cleanser had to be harsh and sudsy to really work. That is simply not true. The legendary Dokdo Cleanser from Round Lab is proof that you can get a deep clean without the collateral damage. This formula has become a massive favorite for anyone dealing with sensitive, dry, or reactive skin because it prioritizes calm over aggression. It is formulated with deep-sea mineral water sourced from a volcanic island region. This water is packed with natural minerals that help to soothe and nourish the skin while the cleaning agents do their work. It also features panthenol, which is a powerhouse ingredient for reducing redness. If you find your face looks blotchy after a shower, panthenol is exactly what you need to calm things down. On top of that, it includes ceramide precursors. These help to rebuild and reinforce your skin barrier so that moisture stays locked inside where it belongs. The texture is a beautiful light gel cream. It does not turn into a giant cloud of harsh bubbles. Instead, it creates a soft, milky lather that feels incredibly gentle as you move it across your skin. It is pH balanced to match the natural state of your skin, which prevents the irritation that comes from using standard soaps. To get the best results, you need to change how you apply it. Do not just slap it on a wet face. Start with dry hands and a small pea-sized amount of the cream. Add a tiny bit of water to create that soft foam in your palms before you ever touch your face. Massage it in gently for about a minute. Focus on the areas where oil tends to build up, like your nose and chin. When you rinse, make sure the water is lukewarm. Hot water is a major trigger for sensitivity and can undo all the good work the cleanser is doing. If you wear heavy waterproof makeup or thick sunscreens, use this as the second part of a double cleanse. Start with an oil-based cleanser to melt the makeup away, then use this to clean the skin itself. This two-step process ensures your pores are clear without any harsh scrubbing. Your skin should feel soft, clean, and bouncy after you rinse. It should never feel tight or like it is about to crack. This cleanser is a reliable choice for morning refresh or nightly wind down. It provides a fresh, clean canvas for the rest of your serums and creams. By switching to a wash that respects your skin barrier, you are stopping the cycle of dryness and irritation before it even starts. It is a simple change that makes a massive difference in how your skin looks and feels every single day. Your face does not need to be scrubbed into submission. It needs to be cared for with ingredients that understand how the skin actually works. Focusing on hydration during the cleansing step is the most overlooked part of a solid routine. This gentle approach ensures that you are not constantly fighting against your own biology. It leaves you with a soft, refreshed base that is ready for whatever comes next.